Today, we are going to implement custom cool animated buttons in Flutter. Include these dependencies in your pubspec.yaml file. Also, I have defined some constant color variables in my constants.dart file. Now, let's create one custom loading button.dart file and create stateful widget inside it. I am naming it custom loading button. We will return container from this widget. Now, let's define height and width for button in stateful widget itself so that we can change these data based on our need. I am giving it default 400 width and 50 pixel height. Let's have a row as child of container and place text widget inside children of row. Also, let's pass title from stateful widget and use it as button text. Let's place this custom created button on our home screen and see how it takes its shape. Now it's time for container decoration. Do according to yourself. I have given border radius as 15 and also given box shadow with little bit lighter shade of button color with blur radius 10 and spread radius 0.1. Also, let's change button text styling with font weight as 600 and font color as white. I am using Google Fonts here. Let's also add icon for good user experience. Pass it from parent and let's add it before text widget in row. If I need icon, then I will pass it, otherwise it won't be visible as I am checking conditions while showing it. Also, setting icon color to white. Now, let's implement loading animation. Set one variable is loading as false. Wrap container with inkwell widget and inside on top of that inkwell, place two setState, which is setting that variable true and false. In between that two widget, let's pass actual callback that we pass while calling button. Let's simulate little bit of delay with future.delayed. Now, adding condition for button text. If button is loading, then we will show loading widget, which is from loading animation widget library, and if it's not loading, then we will show out button text row. Cool, now let's convert out container to animated container with animation duration as 250 milliseconds. And give condition to width. Our animation is looking so nice, but we are getting overflow error while button is shrinked and text is visible. Let's delay text visibility by adding one more boolean as show text. Set it to true, and then, on tap, set it as false. After some delay like 100 milliseconds, set it again to true. This will remove that error. And our loading animated button is ready. We can also make it just a border button. Just play with decoration values and boolean flag. If you learned something, then please like this video, If you have doubt, then ask in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more knowledge like this.